Hello everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's video, we will be setting up a conditional access policy that is designed to enhance security for high-risk users, such as those with suspicious login behavior, compromised accounts, or elevated permissions. By requiring a password change for these users, we proactively protect sensitive information and ensure our system remains secure. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to configure this policy together. Please note that you must have a global administrator account to configure this conditional access policy. To get to conditional access policy, you can log into Microsoft Intune by putting the URL intune.microsoft.com and then navigate to devices, and once you are navigate to devices you can go to conditional access from here. If you want to go to conditional access from Azure, you can type in the browser portal.azure.com, and once you are in Azure portal admin panel, you can go to conditional access by typing directly here Microsoft Entra conditional access. So once you are conditional access, let's go to policies, and here we want to create new policy, right? We want to create new policy for high risk user will require to change the password. So let's name the policy. I have named the policy user risk based password change. So we have to include a group here. Let me go quickly and create the group because currently I want this policy to affect only one group or specific users group. So that's why currently I want to define a group here for this policy. Later on, I will add more user to this group. So let's quickly create the group. Let's name it. Okay, see a high risk user conditional access. I have created. I will add the member later on to it. Let's go to select group, users and group. In the users and group section, I want to select. Let's go to group and I want to select CA conditional access high risk users here. So I have selected this. If you want to exclude any of the group, guest, external, or directory role user, you can select and remove them from here. In the target resources, I want this policy for all of the cloud app. So I am targeting all of the cloud app here. And also you have the option to exclude any of the cloud application here, right? Okay. So let's say if I want to exclude Microsoft admin portal here, I can select this and add this in the exclusion. But I don't want this. This was just to explain you. So let me remove this from here, right? I'm not gonna select any network boundaries here. So now let's go to condition option here. In the condition, I wanna target here. The main condition is user risk. User risk level is the likelihood that user account is compromised, right? Let's go to configure, and here I want to set it to yes. So here we can select high, medium, or low. I want to select high, and please note that this guidance is based on Microsoft recommendation, and this could be different according to every organization needs. So what I will do, I will also paste the required URL and required information in the video description so that you can decide what you have to change or what you have to update into your policies according to your requirement. So I'm selecting this as high. Okay, so we have selected the condition, and in the grant access, what we want is we want to grant access after a suspicious activity for a high risk user with a password change. They must need to change their password to get access to all cloud applications because we got some suspicious activity from their end. And in the session, we want this for every time, right? Let's see here, signing frequency every time, right? We want this security all of the time. So let's select every time, and I'm not turning on this policy for now. I will keep it to report only. My purpose of this video is just to explain you and show you the steps on how to set up user risk-based password change conditional access policy. Please note that my purpose of all of the video is just to train you and explain you about the configurations and setup. Your policies and requirement could be changed from these, but at least you will learn something from my videos. Now that we have walked through all of the steps and successfully configured our conditional access policy for high-risk user, you can rest assured that your security measures are strengthened. Remember, regularly reviewing and updating your policy is crucial to stay ahead of potential threat. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching ITPK and stay secure. Take care. Bye.